there is aspiration, there is exposure, and luxury these days it is just at the swipe of your finger. So everything has come on the table. And that is also a big part of exposure. So if we see everything is just on your hand, is on your phone. So in fact, I could say that the millennials and the Gen Z, you know, these are the ones who are like 24 by 7 on the handsets. These guys have a different attitude towards life. So their aspirations are bigger, and plus the basic necessities have been taken care by the previous generation. So what is luxury? Luxury is something to have beyond your necessity. It's the desire of having more. Now, if we even speak about basically luxury is tangible luxury or the non-tangible one, like how Anju ma'am spoke about the time. So time would be non-tangible luxury. But here, if we have to talk about products, tangible luxury is going to keep changing from person to person. And once you have one thing, there is a want and need for another thing. Like even how Sir said, you want to have the best, and the best has never come. So once you get one thing, you want to have the next, then the next. So, I mean, this is just going to go on. And I think with time, with the changing generation, the way India has, you know, just adapted to all this new thing of digitization, automation, I think this is going to go a long way. And that's a beautiful Indian style of designing bathrooms where you have a courtyard, where you have a landscape element integrated in your design. So I think this is very Indian philosophy or language of design.
I mean, you're talking about Raja Maharajas. That was
No,
a
no, no.
different.
Just a small court also in the bathrooms,
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
bungalows that
yeah.
we
It is
have, a
Chilas,
landscape.
chilas.
Yeah.